Very exciting news today. Visionbay.ai, backed by Foxconn, has selected Netris as the network automation foundation for the largest GPU cluster in Taiwan, which happens to be one of the largest AI clouds in Asia. Not only Visionbay.ai selected Netris for the first GPU cluster, but it also standardized on all future GPU clusters as well.
We're helping bring automation to help scale and grow AI factories throughout APAC. We are bringing network automation, abstraction, and multi-tenancy to AI factories.